Hello everyone, it's me Salman Al Faris. Today we are going to discuss about the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system, such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. First, we are going to discuss about the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, only slightly larger than the Earth's moon. It is the closest planet to the Sun, a distance of about 58 million kilometers. One day on Mercury takes 59 Earth days. Mercury is a rocky planet, also known as a terrestrial planet. Mercury's thin atmosphere or exosphere is composed of mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium and potassium. Atoms that are blasted off the surface by the solar wind and micrometeoroids impact create Mercury's exosphere. Only two missions have visited this rocky planet, that is Mariner 10 in 1974 and Messenger, which flew past Mercury 3 times before going into orbit around Mercury in 2011. Daytime temperature can reach 430 degrees Celsius or 800 Fahrenheit and drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius at night. Next, about the Venus. It is the only a little smaller than the Earth. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun at a distance of about 108 million kilometers. One day on Venus lasts as long as 243 Earth days. Venus is a rocky planet, also known as terrestrial planet. Venus' thick and toxic atmosphere is made up mostly of carbon dioxide and nitrogen, with clouds of sulfuric acid droplets. More than 40 air spacecraft have explored Venus. The Magellan mission in the early 1990s mapped 98% of the planet's surface. The planet's extreme high temperature of almost 480 degrees Celsius. Venus spins backward, that is retrograde rotation when compared to other planets. This means that the sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. Next, about the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun at a distance of 150 million kilometers. A day on Earth is 24 hours. Earth's atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other ingredients. The perfect balance for Earthling to breathe and live. Many planets in our solar system have atmosphere, but only Earth is breathable. Earth has one moon. Another name of a moon is natural satellite. Earth is the perfect place for life as we know it. Our atmosphere protects us from incoming meteoroids, most of which break up in our atmosphere before they can strike the surface as meteorites. Next, about the Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun at a distance of about 228 million kilometers. One day on Mars takes just a little over 24 hours. Mars is a rocky planet, also known as the terrestrial planet. Mars' solid surface has been altered by volcanoes, impacts, crustal movements, and atmospheric effects such as dust storms. Mars has a thin atmosphere made up mostly of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. Mars has two moons named Phobos and Deimos. Several missions have visited this planet, from flybys and orbiters to rovers on the surface of the red planet. The first true Mars mission success was Mariner 4 in 1965. At this time in the planet's history, Mars' surface cannot support life as we know it. Current mission exploring Mars on the surface and from orbit are determining Mars and past and future potential for life. Mars is known as the red planet because iron minerals in the Martian soil oxidize or rust, causing the soil and dusty atmosphere to look red. Next about the Jupiter. About 1300 Earth's cloud fit inside Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun at a distance of about 778 million kilometers. One day on Jupiter takes about 10 hours. Jupiter is a gas giant planet and therefore does not have a solid surface. Jupiter may have a solid inner core about the size of the Earth. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has 15 known moons, with an additional 70 moons awaiting information of their discovery. That is a total of 67 moons. Jupiter has a faint ring system that was discovered in 1979 by the Voyager 1 mission. All four giant planets in our solar system have ring system. Many missions have visited Jupiter and its system of moons. The Juno mission will arrive in Jupiter in 2016. Jupiter cannot support the life as we know it. However, some of Jupiter's moons have ocean underneath their crust that might support life. Next about the Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun at a distance of about 1.4 billion kilometers. One day on Saturn takes 10.7 hours. Saturn is a gas giant planet and therefore does not have a solid surface. Saturn's atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 53 known moons with an additional 9 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery, that is a total of 62 moons. Only a few missions have visited Saturn: Pioneer 11, Voyager 1 and 2, Cassini-Huygens. Since 2004, Cassini has been exploring Saturn, its moon and ring. Fact: when Galileo Galilei was observing the planet Saturn in the 1600s, he noticed a strange object on each side of the planet and drew in his note a triple bodies planet system and later a planet with arms or handles. These handles were in fact the rings of Saturn. Next about the Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun at a distance of about 2.9 billion kilometers. One day on Uranus takes about 17 hours. Uranus is an ice giant. Most of the planet mass is made up of a hot dense fluid of icy material, water, methane and ammonia above a small rocky core. Uranus has an atmosphere which is mostly made up of hydrogen helium with a small amount of methane. Uranus has 27 moons. Uranus moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Uranus. Uranus cannot support life as we know it. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side, which means it spins horizontally. Next about the Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and fastest planet from the Sun at a distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers. One day one Neptune takes about 16 hours. Neptune is a sister ice giant to Uranus. Neptune's atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen, helium and methane. Neptune has 13 moons. Neptune's moons are named after various sea gods and nymphs in Greek mythology. Neptune has 6 rings. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Neptune. Okay friends, this is all about our planets. Thank you for your